Students, Assalamu alaikum. The dreadest challenge of COVID-19 is underway. A small virus that originated from Wuhan city of China is killing people in lakhs. The total death toll in the world crossed 3,50,000 mark. In India, number of infected people is about 1,75,000 people. Yesterday, a man from Lolab, aged about 27 years, died because of COVID-19 infection, and one of our famous doctors, HOD of CD Hospital Srinagar, found COVID-19 positive. It is better for us to remain inside our homes so that this infection may not reach to us. And when we move out of our homes, we need to keep physical distancing in mind and also should restrict our movements outside so that this deadly infection may not reach to us. It is better for you to go for offline and online mode of teaching that is underway in each corner of the state. Is class 10th subject Maths chapter 13, surface area and volumes. Question number 3, mathematical statement you are watching on the whiteboard. A toy is in the form of a cone of a radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface of the toy. Use pi 22 divided by 7. Dear students, I know you are enrolled in government schools, and most government school students don't comprehend English language properly. So I will solve this problem using my own language, that is Kashmiri, so that the things will reach to you clearly. Akhtay, yes, Akhtay, which in the form of kun shakle mas, or at kya at tal hemispheral base, yuta kunus radius, tutu hemispheres the radius. Radius kota sheman 3.5. Total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Achi karun total surface area of the toy. Paish karun istimal as 22 divided by 7. But I'm a shakal. Hemisphere go nesp sphere like a half of cricket ball. A cricket ball is nesp agar is karo. Hemisphere shona tetis. At petkin chi itkanan chi toy. In a benim chat hemospherical part, pitum part chat conical part, where total height chat 15.5 centimeter. Total height of toy. You see, radius is 3.5 centimeter. The radius is 3.5 centimeter. So, that's the surface area. Chunki use radius of conical part. This is radius of hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere. Total she 3.5 centimeter. Yang go is 7 by 2. Kya 7 is agar nesp karo sid go 3.5. Use height of hemisphere. Istavun yaad istavun zanas mas. Height of hemisphere go radius of hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere. Sukotach 3.5. Total height is tie is 15.5. Tell you total height of tie is 15.5. 15.5 centimeter. And assume कि height of conical part क्या रोज height of conical part ने conical part क्या still height तेल वही 15.5 minus 3.5 15.5 was 3.5 over 12 ने conical part is height रोज अंतिल 12.5 12.12 Only 12. Which card has slant height? How much slant height of comb? Slant height of comb. Slant height is करना L सत denote. इस नेर under root of R square plus H square. चूंकि L छीन as दित R as दित R पता छ ये 7 by 2 या 3.5 H as दित इस 12 तो L नेर बराबर 7 7 जा 49 2 2 जा 4 12 12 जा 144 तो L नेर बराबर तो अगर हम क्रॉस मल्टीपल करो कौन सा लाइक 1 से कौन सा 144 is like 4 6 7 5 7 6 7 4 4 जा 16 4 4 16 17 4 1 जा 4 वो L द्रा बराबर निमन टून या किस ऐड करो 7 9 गए 15 7 4 कहता गए 5 था गए 6 डिवाइड बाय 4 वो L द्रा बराबर है 7 5 क्या सच बना 25 2 2 जा 5 क्या 7 5 5 स्क्वायर अंडर रूट गस कैंसिल 2 2 जा 4 स्क्वायर तक गस कैंसिल ये 5 बटा 2 गो 12.5 जो कि which कड़ा है surface area the total surface area of toy so क्या near surface area of conical part plus surface area of hemosphere surface area of toy is surface area conical part is near pi r l hemosphere is near 2 pi r square सारी चीज छस पता pi 2 बटा 7 r छस पता 5 बटा 2 r छस पता 7 बटा 2 यानी 3.5 l द्रावस 5 बटा 2 प्लस ये मजमा 2 pi बदलाव गए 2 बटा 7 r square गो चूंकि 7 by 2 तो 7 by 2 ये क्या कैंसिल कर ये गो कैंसिल 2 1 जा 2 11 जा 11 लाइक 50 जरब 11 5 को 55 11 दूनी वो 22 तो 5 गए 7 अत करो डिवाइड 1 2 1 जा 2 3 जा 6 2 7 जा 14 2 5 इंद्रा 170.5 170.5 मगला ये पार्ट वो करो क्या 7 7 को कैंसिल 2 तो 2 को कैंसिल आज क्या सर रोज 2 जरबे 2 1 जा 2 11 जा 7 11 जा बन जरब ये 77 170.5 अच करन एड 77 अगर कोई लड़कस तने फिगर गो 77.0 था 5 गो 5 7 7 गो 14 7 रे देता ये का तक 14.5 सेंटीमीटर सेंटी की सरफेस एरिया स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एरिया बुक सरफेस एरिया dear students kitab tishtoinish the books are available with you text books of mathematics reference books of mathematics go on seeing these things on these reference books the only way to learn mathematics is to do it you need to practice mathematics inside your home so that your valuable time may not get wasted take precautions be safe and be balanced. Thanks.